Hello students, previous class we have seen poem first day at school. Today we are going to see about book back exercise. Let's read. All of you take page number 2. Let's read. I wonder if the sea is blue. I wonder if the sea is blue. Reading is fun. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? See the poem. If my drawing will be as good as theirs. If my drawing will be as good as theirs. The child, see the answer of this question. The child compared to the other child, whether my drawing good or bad, If you take the pencil and write good or bad. What is the spelling for good? G-O-O-D, good. Or bad, B-A-D, bad. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? The child think about his drawing compared to the other child, whether good or bad. See the next one. What does the child wonder about his teacher? What does the child wonder about his teacher? See the poem. I wonder if my teacher will be look like mom or grand. If my teacher will look like mom or grand. What is the answer? The child think whether my teacher will look like mom, M-O-M, mom, or grand, G-R-A-N, grand. Who is grand here? Grandmother. See the carry his puppy to school. Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? See the poem. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Answer of this question. Yes. Answer of this question. Yes. The child would like to carry his puppy to school. The child would like to carry his puppy to school. See next. Let's talk. Do you remember your first day at school? How did you feel? Do you remember your first day at school? How did you feel? See the pictures. Angry, sigh, happy, sad. Angry, sigh, happy, sad. How do you feel in first day at school? If you feel angry, you tick angry. If you feel sigh, you tick sigh. If you feel happy, you tick happy. If you feel sad, you tick sad. For yours, you have to write following these questions. When you enter your class, what did you like? When you enter your class, what did you like? First day in your classroom, what did you like? You have to write your answer. See next one. Who was the first friend you made? You have to write your friend name. See the next page. What did you enjoy doing the most? What did you enjoy doing the most? In the classroom, how do you enjoy? You have to write. Do you have a pet at home? Who waits for you to come back from school? Do you have a pet at home? Who waits for you to come back from school? Do you have pet animal in your home? You have to write pet animal. It is wait for you. That animal names you have to write here. See next. Let's act. This is for activity. Find a partner. Let your partner pretend to be the teacher who welcomed you to your class. Your first day at school. Now act out your first day at school. This is for activity. you have to try in your home like a teacher and students, like a teacher and students. See, look at the picture. What are the children doing? Look at the picture. What are the children doing? Look at the picture. What are the children doing? Can you guess? See, girl is acting like a teacher. The boy is acting like a children. The girl is acting like a teacher. The boy is acting like a children. Okay, turn the next page. Let's listen and sing. Let's listen and sing. Let's sing the song. All of you ready for to sing the song? Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them every day. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush them every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush them every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, comb it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister, wash it every day. See next. Let's write. How many words can you make using letters from the word in the picture? One has been done for you. How many words can you make using these letters from this word in the picture? One has been done for you. See the word hippopotamus. What is this hippopotamus? Already one has written part. Remaining words we have to write. Remaining words we have to write. Can you guess and tell? Next one. Part. Part already is here. Next, his. Take the pencil and write his. H-I-S, his. And next, mat. M-A-T, mat. Next, top. T-O-P, top. Pit. P-I-T, pit. Next, at last, hop. H-O-P, hop. You have to find out and write in many words from this hippopotamus. Circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now, write the names of your things in the box below. Circle what you can carry in your school bag. Now, write the names of your things in the box below. See the things. What are all the things you have to take and go to the school? First you have to circle the things. Rural. Ruler you have to take and go to the school. So you have to circle. And the next is softener, pen, eraser, water bottle, spectacles. Somebody has taken go. Tiffin box, pencil. Without pencil will you go to school? Okay. Books, ice cream. Anybody will take and go to ice cream to school? No. So you don't circle the ice cream. And the next toy. Will you take and go to toy? No. So okay. Bubbles, one kind of stone. Bubbles, one kind of stones. See these lines. You have to take and write the things. Turn next page. Let's do. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. What are the children doing? Choose the correct word from the ribbon and then fill in the blanks. See the eating, riding, going, studying, sharing, returning, laughing. See what? See the pictures, Kanna. What this boy is doing here? Why is he playing? No, he is eating. He is eating. See, where is the eating here? See and write the spelling here. Eating. Answers are given up. So see and write the answers. What he is doing here? He is playing. Playing or riding? He is riding cycle. He is riding cycle. Here what he is doing, ma? He is going to school. He is going to school. They both what then? They both sharing with friends. And next they are laughing in the classroom. They are laughing in the classroom. See, he is returning from school. He is returning from school. Okay. See next page. Let's practice. Next page. Let's practice. Take pencil and write. What letter is this? Capital letter or small letter? Small letter. Do you know or not? Okay. See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Take the pencil and join the dots like this. A, B. You have to join all the letters. You have to join all the letters. Thank you, students.